Salpukan ng Cebu Greats kontra sa Bataan Risers. MPBL debut ng isa sa mga shooter ng PBA, the Cebuano hotshot, Dondon Hontiveros makakalaban ng team ni El Granada. Gary David, wala pa din kakupas-kupas ang shooting ni Hontiveros, pati ata shooting ng Cebu. Sa tres, nagkahawaan na.
Dennison from the corner, that's a twist. Back to Paul. Catch and shooting at minus to break out.
Grabe ginawang chase down block ni Camacho.
Did not need to do this.
Beautiful bounce pass.
Oh, the chase down!
Tinambakan ng Cebu ang Bataan ng unang quarter hanggang ikatlong quarter. Pero unti-unting nakabalik ang Bataan ng ika-apat na quarter.
Foul. Counted. Yeah.
Whoa.
Nakayang
Tara at panuodin natin ang full game highlights ng Cebu laban sa Bataan.
Step back and kiss myself! Big time plays, big time plays! Ball is up and
nakukuha niya yung playing time niya, humahaba sa loob, pero ito sumabit siya sa screen of that little
with the rebound.
pero undecisive on that finish was Santos.
Payawal gets it back from Simon Camacho.
This one uncontested, or a culture wherein you lose one, you don't follow it up with another loss, or being in a losing streak as Camacho misses and cleans up his own miss.
Bahay ng ating founder and chairman Manny Pacquiao. Meneses running the break.
What a catch and a finish. What a pass. I thought he had a baseline drive.
And Brian Heruela alert. Here he goes. Bumps. Gabawan put that one in. Get an advantage here. They do. Meneses push shot. Got it.
Call that.
Yeah, their point guard was JP Calvo.
Now I remember. Okay.
And then Brian Heruela.
There you go. That's a three.
Meneses to Reverente. Dennison from the corner. That's a three. 15 points ang lamang ng Cebu. No, Reverente with the hustle play.
Your favorite player laying it up and in.
My favorite. 8 seconds to work with. Meneses. Back to Paul. Catch and shoot.
There you go. Thing you don't want to do because Bataan certainly capable of a comeback.
And Brian Heruela, talk about being capable. 3 of 6 ang shooting ng Cebu from beyond the arc in the first period. Only their second field goal.
Right. Hubert Cani was the only one to make a field goal in the
Was reporting Dondon Hontiveros, the Cebuano hotshot,
right.
is now in the game, and he takes his first shot. In and out and in again. Dondon Hontiveros. Ewan ko if you've seen the clips on social media. Alan Houston, and we are always looking at minus to break out. Drives. Keeps his pivot foot. Payawal from way downtown.
Excellent presence of mind. Only three.
Nice pass kay Andre Arminion to find CJ Payawal.
This pass behind us and his beautiful family. It's no different from Kyle Tolentino. Just like no different. It's been a struggle 0 for 8 after that miss by Robbie Darang. Meneses, isa pa, yes!
Points so far for the Risers here in the first half. Malagasay inside. Christian Malagasay.
Pangalawa na yan, ha? Better make sure that he doesn't commit an illegal screen right here.
Ooh.
Whoa!
Guess what I found?
Yeah, back pass. Right here.
No, that was a deflected pass.
Ito, yan.
Galing kay Kid Aria.
That was non-existent no first half. So this is probably the reason why he started, and I just love it. Always full of energy, whether behind the bench or on the bench or even outside of the court. Flores, 5 straight points.
Mas maganda lang yung tapos ni Alfred Flores.
With a chase down attempt.
Heruela
That's big.
and through.
That's big time. Lahat daw pinakikilaman mo, kahit yung free throws niya. As you see right here, Chito Jaime.
Cani spins. Picks it out. Flores, extra pass. Chito Jaime for three.
I've seen it so many times.
Heruela gets away, drops it off to Camacho for two. The end one.
Na kayang tumahi ng depensa. Tulad nito.
And Ryan Heruela, shot clock. Flores has to fire from downtown. It's good! Ang layo nun.
He has been a game changer. Every time he would change the game with his speed in this quarter, he has changed.
And maybe if he can pull to within 8 by the end of the quarter or 6. Flores fires and it's good.
Cebu, they already forced 3 turnovers in this quarter and has scored 7 of the 3 this quarter. But this one by Meneses, a much needed basket.
19 in the ball game to go with the 9 rebounds. Now Mark Meneses. Now Meneses gets it to Reverente inside, and Mark Meneses.
The whole game.
ManiPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Robbie Darang keeps them within striking distance here. And I think, you know, one should study how Mark Meneses plays. Not sure about that shot though.
Beautiful bounce pass. But
The chase down! The chase down from Simon Camacho.
That was clean.
Now Simon Camacho did not need to do this.
But he was subbed out the whole third quarter.
Meneses fires a 3. It's good!
What a night.
Denison. Now Meneses and Tiveros. Back to Meneses.
It's because of the threat, you know, kay Dondon Hontiveros, able to attract 2 defenders off that handoff. Nice feed by Kuya Dondon. 3-point play naman sa kabila.
Jeff Manday of Caloocan also there in that team. Denison, Meneses, 29.
Pero hindi ako sure, nasa line pa ba siya ng binyan?
Wala. Flores, he gets it back, fires a 3. Yes.
They foul Don Reverente.
And Don Rivera, that's a 3. Galing kay Abrego, 82-70. Cani goes to Sazon, other corner this time. He hits. 31 points, it's new career high. Sazon.
Foul.
Oh!
Counted. Yeah.
Whoa.
The other side. This came off an inbound dribble handoff. Just using the screen and going to...
They will do everything in their power not for that na hindi mangyari yan tonight. Cani banks it in over Heruela. Ryan Heruela he orchestrated this Cebu offense brilliantly all game long. Darang gets it back to drop. Darang for 3. No go. Rebound Denison, and that's it. The Cebu greats.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!